Listen to me carefully. This might be the message that changes your life today. So stand up, believe in yourself, and change the world. The more you learn, the more you earn, and the more you grow. Remember this sentence forever. Small steps, every day. No excuses, no quitting. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. The struggle you feel today is building the strength you will need tomorrow. Success is not about talent. It's about showing up every single day. Consistency beats talent every time. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll be discussing a very important topic. Let's begin. I will not quit. Say it again. Because the moment you refuse to quit, you become unstoppable. Your biggest enemy is not failure. I worked when nobody was watching. That's how champions are built. The voice in your head saying you can't do it, silence that voice and watch your life change. Imagine your life 5 years from now. Same place, same problem, same excuses, or a completely different life. The choice you make today decides that. And one day, you'll become the person you once dreamed about. Well, it must have happened to you too, that you did not give importance to the one whom you value. This happens to us because when we forget our self-respect in front of them, they also forget our value. This happens to us because when we forget our self-respect in front of them, they also forget our value. From today, you have to start what people think. They will not fulfill your home deficiency. They will only laugh at you. You can do anything you can imagine. And it is not just because of your brain and hard work. Just look at your destination. There will be many dogs on the way and many will be ready to bark when you succeed. Then they will say, we showed you the way. If you have been taken down, you can do something for yourself and your family, and I will not feed you and your family only talk. Sometimes life tests us in ways we never expected. There are days when the road feels too long, the burden feels too heavy, and the future seems unclear. But remember this, every generation faces its own battles. Our elders carried struggles that built the foundations we stand on today. They worked with patience, sacrifice, and faith. Lives remind us that strength is not about never falling, it is about standing up every time you fall. Greatness doesn't come from comfort. It comes from discipline, learning, and believing in something bigger than yourself. Just like that tree, your struggles are not stopping you, they are shaping you. To the youth, your passion is the fuel of progress. No matter your age, your story is not finished. Or is stamped the legacy that the next generation will proudly carry forward. Stand strong. Keep moving. The future belongs to those who refuse to give up. Clarify your goal. Set a clear goal. Write it down and look at it every day. Take small steps. Big dreams don't come true in a single day. Work a little every day. Complete small tasks step by step. Stay away from negative people. Some people always say you can't do it. Stay away from such people and spend time with positive people. Don't be afraid of failure. Failure is a chance to learn. Most successful people have failed many times. Value your time. People who waste time often fall behind in life. Make a daily schedule and use social media less. Just like that tree, your struggles are not stopping you, they are shaping you. To the youth, your passion is the fuel of progress.